How to find range overlap in Python. What is the best way in Python to determine what values in two ranges overlap? For example, given a range, x, what is the best way to iterate through another range, y, and output all values that are shared by both ranges? Thanks in advance for the help. Edit. As a follow-up, I realize that I also need to know if x does or does not overlap y. I am looking for a way to iterate through a list of ranges and do a number of additional things with range that overlap. Is there a simple true/false statement to accomplish this?
Try with set intersection. Output. Note that intersection accepts any iterable as an argument. Y is not required to be converted to a set for the operation. There is an operator equivalent to the intersection method, but, in this case, it requires both arguments to be sets.
If the step is always +1, which is the default for range, the following should be more efficient than converting each list to a set or iterating over either list.
You can use sets for that, but be aware that set list removes all duplicate entries from the list.
The answers above seem mostly overly complex. This one-liner works perfectly in Python 3, takes ranges as inputs and output. It also handles illegal ranges. To get the values, just iterate over the result, if not none.
If you want to see more, please do